What's up guys? What's up? So, punta kami Baguio ngayon. Walang late na kami. So, wala nang patumpik-tumpik. Let's go. Ay, naka. Time is it? Oh my god. Say hi. Okay guys, drive muna ako saglit. Peace out. What's up? Driving tayo. So ayan, kita nyo naman medyo traffic sa bandang pa-Edsen. So dito tayo, dire-diretso. Later ulit guys. Nagda-drive tayo, baka ma-viral tayo eh. Peace out. What's up? So yun, dito na kami, NLEX na kami. Kaya lang it's super traffic. Time check, 11 na guys.
Hindi niya yan isasama.
Ayun, tutulog pa yung mga anak ko nandun sa likod.
Bare feet in the sand. Cold
So
foam
maya ulit,
on my
titignan ko muna sa Waze kung gaano to kahaba.
Your name in my mouth,
Let's go,
like
ganda,
salt
sexy.
I can't swallow.
Sarap.
Sea glass in my pocket from the day you said goodbye. Clouds leaning on the water as the gulls cut the sky. So I write you low tide letters on the edge of the sea. Let the waves decide what comes back to me. If the current keeps its secrets, I'll still stand where we used to be. Sending low tide letters till you answer the sea.
What's up guys? So ito na kami. Asa NLEX na kami, pa-SCTEX na kami. And gusto ko lang sabihin na congratulations sa sasakyan ko guys. 100k na siya mileage. My goodness, solid. 100k na siya guys. Ayun ba? Yan. Na-check ko sa Waze, on track naman kami. Abot kami sa check-in time. Medyo hindi traffic ata papuntang Baguio. Baka pagdating mo sa Baguio doon traffic. Tingin ko. So, paano ba yan? Drive muna tayo, baka ma-viral tayo eh ha. Peace out.
Driftwood like old stories, bleached thin by the years. I trace our crooked footprints till the wind disappears them. And every breaking wave says your face then fades. I keep talking to the distance like it's you delayed. So I write you low tide letters on the edge of the sea. Let the waves decide what comes back to me. If the current keeps its secrets, I'll still stand where we used to be. Sending low tide letters till you answer the sea.
Sup guys, sup? Dito na kami, Baguio na. Baguio feels, ayan na yung fog. Oh my G. Paganda guys. Worth it. So good.
Punas mo yung bibig mo.
40 months.
Sa chocolate.
Ayan.
Daddy wants to go back.
Ayan yung fog guys. Oh my god, kita-kita nyo ba yung fog? Ayan.
Drive ka mo.
Oh my G. Okay. So, maya-maya na guys, pag papunta na kami dun sa tutuluyan namin, ha? Focus muna tayo sa pagdadriving. Right? Solid out! What's up guys? We're here. So, nandito na tayo sa place na pag-i-stay namin. Actually, ang lapit niya sa Mines View. Ang ganda. Solid. Solid. Okay, so may yung mga yan. Let's go. Eto. So time check 4:30 na. 1 hour and 30 minutes kaming late.
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of
Noodles.
Topic lang natin.
Pagdating ng ano.
I want them. I want them.
Siya si Kuya Jeric. Let's go guys.
Let's go. Mommy, why is so huge? How so huge? Here.
Parang may isang linggo kami nag-stay guys. Okay.
I think
Okay, let's go.
Tapos right side tayo.
Right side. Letter D. Okay. Open na rin. So dito kami mag-stay.
Right side.
Right side. Ito. 5D. Okay. Wow, ganda na guys. Ay, ang ganda. Wow, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda dito.
O yung gamit na.
Okay. Sorry. Wow, wow. Ay, ang ganda ng view. Oh my G, guys. Wait lang anak. Come here, stay here muna. Stay here muna, mamaya na. Come here na.
it's a good, Daddy.
Yes, wow. Okay. What's up guys? So ito, napakaganda ng ini-stayan namin ngayon. Shoutout sa may-ari po ng unit. Napakaganda po, gustong-gusto namin. So, punta mo namin ng Mines View Park. Since lalakarin lang dito yung Mines View Park guys. Solid. Okay? So, tara muna, baba tayo. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so yan. Ito yung labas ng condo na pinag-stayan namin. And then, kakanan ka lang, Mines View Park na. Solid, diba? Wow! Ang lamig, guys! No, what are you doing? Mamaya na, anak, doon meron pa yun. Oh, kinukuha niya yung tower. Okay. Diba? Shoutout pala sa pinagstayan namin. Ipapost ko dito yung link niya. And then yung pangalan ni ma'am. Pero syempre hingi mo tayo approval. Yeah, ganun talaga. So yun, one of the reason why I wanna commend yung pinagstayan namin. Actually normal na ang mga nagpapa-accommodate dito sa Baguio is naghihingi ng down payment. Pero si ma'am, basta sure na talaga mag-stay ka. Wala kaming down payment guys. Binayaran lang namin as in nung pagpunta namin. What? Okay.
Bibigay.
Oh, tama na anak. Baka sitayin na tayo ng guard. Tama na.
Mommy, this is
Ito pa yung mga anak ko nagbibigay ng flowers sa misis ko. Ba? Lamig. 5 to 5 pa lang dito. Sobrang lamig na. As expected. So ito muna ang first stop namin, Mines View, since ito yung pinakamalapit sa pinagstayan namin. Then tomorrow yon, dadagdagan pa namin yung mapupunta namin. Dadagdagan eh. Weird. So pasalubong, baka pag-uwi na tayo bumili. Siyempre, sulitin muna natin yung nandito tayo. Kung ano yung mga kailangan natin puntahan. Yun lang muna. Let's go na. Okay. Medyo hapon na guys para sa Mines View, pero we're here and let's enjoy.
You trace circles on receipts, little symbols only you can read. Coffee stains on your sleeve, same seat, same screen, same street. You said it's just the way it goes, but I can see the secret roads running underneath your days, twisting through the quiet space. Soft patterns that pulling you under, tiny threads turning into thunder. Every rule that you wrote in your head keeps you walking the line that you dread. Soft patterns that write in your story, faded in, but it still holds the
Ay nako. Gandang gabi guys. So yan. Hindi na makita eh. Punta kami ng Burnham Park ngayon. Magna-night market kami. Sulitin natin ang araw. What's up guys? Madilim. Pero yan. Ayan. Dito na kami, Burnham Park. You say hi!
Hi!
Okay, so yan ang Burnham Park paggabi ay
Alam mo.
okay.
Guys, wait, Daddy is here. I cannot. Jeez.
the glory. If you're tired of repeating the code, take my hand, we can break the old mold. You keep tally in your phone all the times you almost stayed home. Every promise set in stone, cracking when you feel alone.
Hey guys,
Kinatupasan mo ay
ang galing.
wala na talaga. Masatagal na yan.
Si Digong pa rin ginagaya niya.
Wala
Ito pala si Digong, kala ko nasa ano eh, dahig eh.
Okay, kailangan ko na lang ng isang volunteer. Anak, ka. Ay mo? Ay, okay, magpapatuloy na kami. Oh, ikaw na. Ito, medyo bibo itong batang to eh. Balik ka dito. Bago kami magpapapit, so magwa-warm up muna kami ng, some magic.
Ang
Okay.
lala.
Okay.
Si Kuya may labo
Alright.
pa siguro.
Okay. Anak. Oh, ito.
Si Kuya.
Grabe. Ano pangalan? Ano pangalan? Anak, okay?
Skyler.
Grabe, yung mali ha, Skyler. Parang Skyward. Mali, di ba? Okay, ano gusto mo paglaki mo na? To begin ano gusto mo maging? Police. Okay, pag sinabi kong police ha, police! Okay. Police! Parang cider ah. Galing, mahusay. Okay. Ganito. Police! Oh, mahusay. Pwede, pwede ha. Stoppy, okay. Okay. Mga bata, huwag gagayahin sa mga bahay. Okay. Saan si Mama?
Ka pala.
Si Mama? Si Mama? Okay. Ma'am, nagulog ng PhilHealth ko. PhilHealth. May PhilHealth ba siya? Wala ba? Okay. Ayan.
Zero balance.
Wala. Okay. Okay. Magpamatic tayo ha. Okay lang. Alright. Oh, alright. Tatakpan lang natin. Oh. Alright. Sasabihin natin ang magic eight. It. Wala ka ba? It. No. No. Narinig. Wah, ikaw. Itlog na rin. Okay. Itlog. Ito pakimagas mo. Okay ba? Okay. Itit. Okay, salamat po. Alright, okay, may good ka. Ma'am, ano yan? 15 pesos. Tapos, 5 pesos. Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
You say maybe this is all I get, but I can hear the plans you forget humming in the back of your mind, waiting on a different kind of sign. Soft patterns that pulling you under, tiny threads turning into thunder. Every rule that you wrote in your head keeps you walking line that you dread. Soft patterns that write your story, faded ink, but it still holds the glory. If you're tired of repeating the code, take my hand, we can break the old mold. What if every little habit is a map we never read? What if every quiet panic is a door we never test?
What's up guys? Nakauwi na kami dito sa pinag-stay namin na condotel. Yan, ang ganda oh. Wow. Nagbibihis ka pa, Han? Oh, okay. Nice, so yan. Stand namin. Hi guys! Say hi! Okay, so yan. Oh, bukas ng umaga, ang ganda ng view dito. Ito mo naman. Meron kami mga napamili. Asan napamili natin, Han? Nasa bed. Yan, kala mo konti lang nun, no? Pero inabot kami ng halos magkano? Unang araw pa lang namin. Okay. But anyway, that's why we're live. We spend for a living. Hey! Okay, so tara. Mag-exercise muna tayo dito. Pahinga muna. Anong oras na? Time check, 12 a.m. 12 a.m. na. Bukas, ang pupuntahan namin is basta may itinerary kami bukas. Panarin niya lang mamaya. Okay? Peace out muna guys.
Soft patterns that pulling you under, tiny threads turning into thunder. Every rule that you wrote in your head keeps you walking line that you tread. Soft patterns that write your story, faded ink, but it still holds the glory. If you're tired of repeating the code, take my hand, we can break the old mold.
What's up guys? Paro sa labas. So this is our second day sa Baguio. Naghahanap ako ng mabibili ng pagkain. Lalakad ako. Uy, puta. Ano yan? Ayan, na-miss ko yung mga ganyang daanan guys. Ayan, yung mga ganyang daanan. Nung bata ako guys, dito ako nakatira. Dito kami nakatira. Ano, mga siguro 6 years old, 6, 5, ganun. Lumindol sa Baguio. Naka-tent kami nun sa Camp John Hay. May picture pa ako nun, kaya lang hindi ko na alam kung nasan na yun eh. Kumbaga sa ano, nasa baryo kami ng Baguio, gano'n. So nasa pinakataas kami, ano, taniman siya ng orange. So pinipitas lang namin yung orange dun. Pag gusto namin kumain ng orange, pinipitas lang namin dun guys. Alright, what's up guys? Nakabili na ako. Wala namin egg, spam, and then siomai. Solid. Alright, bakit na tayo sa unit. Okay. So, anong oras na ba? 11:30. Ang susunod na itinerary namin, punta kami dun sa Stone Kingdom. So kakain lang kami and then punta kami dun. Kaya lang umuulan sa labas. So sana tumila yung ulan, makapunta kami. Kasi ang susunod nun, strawberry farm naman. Okay, puta, bukas. Sabi ko yung laki. Okay, so hindi unit. Hindi pa rin nagsaing. Ay naku. Okay. No, wait lang guys. Ay, kape. Oo nga pala, kape. Okay, I forgot something. Bili tayong kape. Ayun na nga. Bibili tayo ng kape. Yun ang medyo maano sa akin guys. Medyo makakalimutin na ako. Ay, umuulan. Ayan nga guys, umuulan. Balik tayo. Bili lang tayong coffee. Ayan, 3-in-1 coffee. May 3-in-1 coffee. Ay, ito. Ito pala. Ayun. Guys. Okay. Sensya na, medyo magulo yung aking recording. Grabe guys, ang swerte ng mga nakatira dito ngayon, no? Ang lamig kasi. Hindi mo na kailangan ng aircon eh. Electric fan lang yung gamit namin eh. Puta, lamig na lamig pa rin kami. Nakalock na. Lumay ko yan ah. Okay.
Palong eh.
What's up guys? Kain tayo.
Cut off jeans, front porch laugh. Said you'd only stay an hour. Then the clock just ran too fast. Empty bottles on the counter. Sunrise shining through your hair.
What's up guys? Papa ko ba? So, ito na, kakataas lang. Ang dumi ng kalat. So yan, palis kami ngayon. Punta kami sa Stone Kingdom. Okay, let's go.
We're gonna go to the Toy Kingdom?
Toy Kingdom. Guwapo ba? Guwapo?
Ay, ako.
Okay. Ganda mo nun. Let's go. Take picture daw. Ito na.
Machine. Ay, video.
Picture.
1, 2, 3, smile. Again. Again, one more.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Okay, my daddy's there.
Uy!
Come here. Camping? We're gonna go to the camping? Camping? Daddy, we're going in the camping? No. Where are we going? Where are we going? The camera is right there over me, just taking a video.
Give it to me na. Don't save the camera's battery. Turn it off.
Okay, bye guys.
Hi guys, we're going to Stone
Kingdom.
Kingdom. Stone Kingdom. Hi guys. Why are you so pretty?
Ano ba siya? I'm cool.
Yeah, you look cool.
I look like Glock 9. I
You look like what?
look like Elsa.
Elsa? How about mommy? Look like
Anna.
Anna?
Yeah, you look like gonna be Anna.
Okay.
Hello guys, it's me. Elsa and mommy's is Anna. So guys, we're going in the kingdom store. Or kingdom. Okay, kingdom is the best. Okay, we're going in the kingdom.
What's up guys? Nandito na kami sa Stone Village. Ayan. Ayan siya. Doon yan. Yan. Oh, Stone Village nga naman dahil stone. Ayan. Okay. So nakakahanap kami ng parking spot. Let's go guys. So this is our day 2 dito sa Baguio. Kamusta sa Baguio? Malamig. Laging malamig guys. Solid. Let's go. Claudia. Okay, sit there. I'll buy ticket. Dalawang adult, dalawang kids.
Daddy, there's the kingdom.
Yeah, the kingdom there. Yan na guys, yung entrance ng Stone Kingdom. Stone Village eh. Gago. Stone Village ka dyan. Okay. So maya maya dyan na tayo. Wait natin si Mrs. Okay?
Kamay na lang po.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Knock your hands. Patatak ka. Si Claudia din.
there.
Claudia, ikaw din anak. Tara. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so we're going up.
You were dancing in my t-shirt like the world wasn't out there. Last night ain't over in my mind. You're still riding shotgun, hand in mine, still barefoot stuck in my throat. You were halfway down the driveway.
Taas na namin, kanina andun lang kami, andun. Kanina andun lang kami guys. Dito lang kami sa taas. Hey. Hindi naman nakakapagod. Hindi naman. Okay. What's up again guys? Andito na kami sa pinakataas. Dang, ayun yung misis ko yun. Nagpipicture-picture sila doon. Kasama ko dito yung anak kong bunso. Hey! Sa pinakataas na kami. My God.
I don't see the exit.
The exit? Ang exit doon anak. We're gonna go there. Ayun o, doon o. Doon. Doon ang exit. Pero we cannot climb there. Dangerous. Sige na, let's go down na.
Yeah, the neighbors think it's quiet, but girl, my heart's still loud. Every echo of your laughter, running circles in this house. Hey, last night ain't over in my mind. You're still riding shotgun.
What's up guys? Bababa na kami. We're going down in a...
Don't touch.
Don't touch the cat. Wow. Alright guys, we're going home. Second stop ulit namin is since hapon na is Burnham Park. Doon na kami magpapagabi. Food trip and bike. What's up guys? We're back. It's our last day. Last night pala. Here in Burnham Park. In Baguio rather. So, enjoy na namin to. Misis ko, ang ganda oh. Sarap pa.
Ano? Gago. Gago ka talaga.
Yeah. Kung ako magre-retire guys, dito ako gusto mag-retire. Ang lamig eh. Siguro lagi kang mapapa-exercise dito. Hindi ka tatamarin eh. Kaya ang dami nagja-jogging dito guys eh. Hindi ka mairita sa init.
That's my baby girl.
Okay.
Okay.
So mamaya na ulit guys. Mag-withdraw lang kami ng pera dahil ubos na yung pera namin. Okay. Let's go. What's up guys ulit? Mag-bike na pala kami ngayon. Sige nga anak, go.
Okay, go.
No, wait lang anak. Kung hindi iaangkas mo siya pag di niya alam eh.
Kaya, dinala sa kabila.
Try mo dito anak sa maliit. Pag ayaw, di yung malaki na ikaw na.
Dalawang dalang kayo kasi meron siya.
The yellow one.
Yeah.
Why did you choose
Oh, you
the
try.
yellow one? Try.
Hindi ka nga marunong eh.
You know.
Bilis na.
You're the best.
You go na kuya.
Break ha, nasa gilid. Huwag lang kalimutan.
Break is this one. Okay, you know?
Okay.
Sige na. Go. Go na. Huwag kang lalayo ah. Napil. Ayan, ay. Okay. Okay. Ay, sorry. Iangkas mo na lang kaya siya. Baka matamaan siya ng mga nagbabike eh. Angkas ka na kay mami. Hop, hop, son. Sorry. Ka na. Angkas ka kay mami na lang.
Get the big bike.
Gig.
Sige, adjust ko muna.
Go ka dun. Oh. Wow.
Kuha ko seatbelt ko for safety lang din. Sit down. Lagyan kita ng seatbelt para safe.
Wow. Good job.
Brake nasa gitna, tataas lang. Ito po. Tapos yung mga gamit mo ma'am, ihatag mo sa baka lang. Okay po.
Okay ka na.
There's si Kuya. Go, Kuya! Kuya, no! Wrong! Wrong way! You say hi, Cloud. Cloud, say hi. Kuya, pwedeng ano? Nagmumuryak. Gusto niya yung maliit.
Sundan mo na lang siya.
Okay. Nakasimangot eh.
Basta sundan mo na lang siya ha.
Oh, dali na. Halika na. Wow, you know that? Go with Kuya. Just straight until you go here in the end. Go, Kuya.
Okay guys, bilihan serye ulit tayo. Bili tayo ng empanada. What's up guys? Food trip part 2. Dito naman kami ngayon sa Session Road. Tapos na yun sa Burnham Park, sarado na. Ito na yung mag-stay at hanggang madaling araw. Daming tao guys. Nothing beats the classic. Ang mais. Hey.
Magaling sir.
Apa nay?
Plastic po.
Hindi na nay, okay na po yan. Thank you nay. Yeah. What's up guys? Day 2 gastos. Dang, ang enjoy maglakad dito. Pero may enjoy din yung wallet mo. What's up guys? 11 na, pauwi na kami. Ngayon lang kami natapos. Nag-ikot-ikot, nag-food trip, bumili. So we're going home. Pagod pero malamig, kaya okay lang eh. Hindi mo nahihinda yung pagod. Sakit lang sa paa. So peace out na guys. Later na lang pag nasa condo na kami. Bye-bye. What's up guys? Good morning. This is our last day dito sa Baguio. Yan, kakagising lang namin ng misis ko. Siya nagkakape. Mga anak ko tulog pa. So, prepare na tayo pa uwi. Napakagandang experience, napakagandang memories na ito para sa amin. So, enjoyin muna natin yung view. Na, tara. Up guys, check out na kami. Yan. Okay, nasa labas na yung mga gamit namin. Let's go. Okay. Hi. Alright guys, pauwi na kami. At papunta muna kami sa strawberry farm. At may isa akong hindi na-anticipate. May coding pala dito sa Baguio. Pero syempre sa ibang probinsya, di ba? Yung coding is lifted, parang gano'n or something. But here, yun lang. Coding dito guys. So again, shoutout kay Ma'am Nak. Thank you po sa pag-accommodate sa amin sa unit niyo. Nagustuhan po namin, maganda yung unit. Lamig. At yan guys, re-recommend ko na rin siya sa inyo. Kasi hindi kami nag-down nung nag-check-in kami sa kanila. Walang down payment na ni-require. Basta nagpunta lang kami dun sa area nila and then nagbayad kami na. So legit. Approved. So good luck sa amin. Sana hindi kayo mahuli ngayon. Pauwi na kami. Try namin magpahapon dun sa strawberry farm. What's up guys? We're here sa strawberry farm and pero kakain muna kami na. Let's go. Sa taas.
Check tayo sa taas.
Sa taas? Okay. Okay. Here. Kain tayo guys. Wow. Si Noodle Girl yan eh. What's up guys? Dito na kami sa strawberry farm and pala yan.
I found this big strawberry.
Oh, diba? Diyan. Okay.
Picture kayo dito, Cloud. Tapos kayo ikaw na. Masisilaw.
Guys, ito. Wow.
Where's the bucket?
Yeah. May nagpapapikin pa dito ba, boss? Picking. Doon, sa baba.
Daddy,
Oh,
I'm so scared of water like the snake.
water snake.
Yeah.
May snake pa dito.
No.
Oh, gilid ko. Maganda panahon ngayon dito. Hindi masyadong mainit. Hindi rin naman ganun kalamig. Sa sakto-sakto balance. And then ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, di siya umulan. Siyempre. Kasi kung umulan, no anak, stop. Slowly.
Jump together.
Ayan. Sige.
I just fall again.
Sige.
That is so scary in the water.
Yeah. So scary in the water.
Because they're slowly in the water.
Yeah.
We need to
What? You need to
wash
what?
the strawberry. We need to wash the strawberry.
Okay. Okay.
Daddy, don't step on me.
I'm not.
Mommy!
Saan po ang strawberry picking dito? Do. Nice.
I am so tired. I am so tired.
You're tired already?
Where's Mommy?
Ayun. Hey guys. Oh. Ano, umaaraw-araw lang guys. Pero may ulap kasi, so ang ganda ng balance. Di siya mainit, di siya sobrang lamig. Saktong lamig, yung hampas ng hangin is ano lang,
Mommy! Away!
bahagya lang.
Don't be frustrated. Baka matulog yun.
Okay.
Kinuhin naman na po natin
I want
siya.
the bucket.
Okay.
Get some. I want bucket too. I want bucket too.
Give me that.
I want the bucket.
Share the bucket na lang.
Pakibigyan po siya.
Pwedeng,
ng bang.
I want the bucket too.
Pwedeng tag-isang bucket sila pero
Pwede naman po sir.
Yeah.
Maghaluhaluin ko na lang siya mamaya.
I want the bucket.
Oh, yun na. Yung peak.
thank you.
Buti na lang. Bumalik ako. Walang nagbabantay.
And now we're picking our strawberry guys.
Claudia, come here with mommy. Don't.
It's 700 pesos per 1 kilo.
I never do the game.
Pwede kumain din.
Tikim lang siya magsama sa school.
Okay.
Nak, yung pula, yung mapula. Paturo kay mami. Ayun o, yun. Kay mami, go to mami.
Claudia.
Wait, I found it. I found one.
Go to mami. Ayun si mami.
I found one. Daddy, come here. I found one. This?
Yeah, okay. Get it. Okay, let's go.
Davies, I got one. This?
Yes.
Yun na guys. Strawberry picking na yung mga anak ko.
Let's go. I win.
No, not that.
Oh! I found one. Hey!
Sadly guys, palabat na ako. So enjoy nyo na lang yung makikita nyo dito habang nagpipicking sila. Ilalaban ko pa to. Man mo. Lilis, 1% na lang. Tikman mo na yan.
Okay, let's try this.
Mommy, I found it myself.
Tamis?
Are you sure you're gonna
Try.
eat it?
Ang tamis.
Okay, let's try guys.
Oh,
Mm.
let's go. Oh, yeah.
Masarap to strawberry shake eh, no? Good. What's up guys? Eto, kailangan namin mag-stop over, lipas kami ng coding. Claudia dito. Punta muna kami dito sa Tamawan Village. Ayan siya, Tamawan. Shoutout dun sa dalawang police. Salamat po sa pag-inform. Okay, so ito main road. Okay. Alright.
Hello, lizard.
Okay, hello lizard daw. We're here in Tamawan Village.
Hello, lizard.
So, sabi ng receptionist, ang pinaka-attraction daw dito is nature. So, yan. We're climbing up. Okay. And we are on Village Gallery. Exit na to ah. Bilis naman.
You left your coat on the chair, still smells like rain and smoke. I fold it up like a truce, then watch it come apart. Your cup has a crack in it, mine does too. Funny how the small things break in the same room. I keep reaching for you like a door in the dark, but the handle turns back and tears my hands apart. Broken hearted, broken hearted. I keep your name in my mouth like a shard of glass. Broken hearted, broken hearted. You went on fast. I'm still here with the past. The sink still holds your ring, a silver ghost in the drain. I thought I could wash you out, but the stain knows my name. Now the mirror talks too loud, says I look half gone, and every song in this house ends where you moved on. I keep reaching for you like a door in the dark, but the handle turns back and tears my hands apart.
For our next performance will be from Eastern Mountain Province, a community dance called Turayan or Kinapor, and also known as Ligang Dance. For our next performance, this is still from Mountain Province, one of their community dances called Balambang or Patok. And that's all. Thank you for watching and thank you for visiting here in Tamawan Village. Kung gusto niyo pong makipag-picture kasama kami ay pwede po.
Okay, donation. Up guys, so that's it. Ito na yung Tamawan Village. Ang galing ng mga sumasayaw. Solid. What's up guys? Dito pa rin kami sa Baguio. Kakatapos lang namin ulit mag food trip. Nagpapaano kami ngayon, papalipas ng coding. Sabi nila 7 to 7 ang coding dito eh. So 5 PM na, 2 oras kaming tatambay. Yan, so dito lang kami, yan, dyan. Tamang tambay muna kami guys. Tapos mamaya biyahe na kami pauwi. Back to reality tayo. Okay.
Sunlight creeping low, waking up the world slow. Coffee steaming in my hand. Best darn start in all the land. Oh, morning dew, fresh and new. Yeah, morning dew, just me and you.
What's up guys? I'm back again. Ayun, nalobat. Around 7 or 8 na kami nakaalis sa Baguio. Nagpalipas pa kami ng coding. And then after nun, dire-diretso na kami. Wala na kaming pinuntahan. Parang pagod na eh. Pagod na lahat sa pagod na lahat sa pag-iintay eh ng coding. And then syempre naantok na nung oras na ng mga 2 AM na kami nakarating dito. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa aming vlogs at nanonood sa aking mga reels. Solid kaya talaga mga boss. Then kung tatanungin niyo magkano nagastos namin sa Baguio for 3 days and 2 nights, hindi ko muna masasagot yan ngayon. Ang importante sa akin, nag-enjoy yung mga anak ko, nag-enjoy asawa ko, nag-enjoy yung mga anak ko. Yun yung importante sa akin. Yung pera, mababawi natin yan. Mag-farm ulit tayo. Issue! Okay, so yan. And syempre maraming salamat sa Panginoon, syempre. Dahil kay G nagagawa natin itong mga to kahit pa paano, kahit syempre kahit konti lang ang pera natin. Nakakagala tayo kahit pa paano, nakaka-chill, nakaka-relax. And syempre sa magulang ko at sa ate ko, thank you po sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko kay te. Mahal na mahal ko kay ma. So yan, dahil sa kanila syempre wala tayo dito guys. Wala ako dito kung wala akong magulang ko. At kung hindi rin tinutulungan ng ate ko. So everything, maraming salamat. So hanggang sa muli guys. At may mga susunod pa. Sorry, nabubulol na ako, inaantok na talaga ako. So yun, may mga susunod pa na vlog. Sintayin nyo ulit. Hanggang sa muli guys, I have to go. Good night and paalam.